HP4 Heat pump skills for near-zero energy buildings construction.
After 2.5 years of research and development, the HP4 project has been able to enhance, develop and promote the skills required for high-quality, optimized heat pump installations within residential and non-residential buildings. The project has achieved this by working with the supply side, including manufacturers, SMEs, and installers, but also on the demand side involving building owners and the public sector. HP4 has provided them a set of different tools. A competency framework to facilitate mutual recognition of heat pump skills. A knowledge hub where useful resources can be found, including case studies, guides, training sessions. A benchmarking tool enabling end users to consider options and performance of heat pump technologies within different building types. We have also made sure that our HP4 training package is viable and can be replicated in other European countries by validating it in 3 regions in Europe: Ireland, Spain and Upper Austria. So, whether you are a heat pump installer, supplier, homeowner, or user, do not hesitate and visit our website and social media channels and discover all the materials we just mentioned, but also useful reports on heat pump technologies, skills framework, policies, and much more.